Hi, I'm Graham from Boatshed, Bourgogne, and this is a super shiny 14 metre super van craft. Let's take a look inside. The saloon, very classic, typical of the era, but not dark and dingy. Good big windows, opening, lots of ventilation, nice cabinetry. That's the control panel for the Mace 3.5 kVA generator that's under my feet here. Look at this woodwork. Nice, classic, not dark and dingy. Leather coverings, leather upholstery. Gentleman's club effect here. There's 1.95 metres of headroom in that saloon as well. Two hobs, induction hobs. There's no gas on this boat. And what you do have is a dishwasher. How about that to make life easy? And this isn't a mirror. It's a combi convection cum microwave oven. Down here, 1.86 metres of headroom. Look at that saloon. Teak laid carpet. I think that's the first time I've seen teak effect carpet. This dinette does convert into a double berth if you need. 1.8 metres long, 1.2 metres wide. That was a separate freezer that our vendors have installed under there. Here in the forward cabin, two bunks, 2 metres long, 90 centimetres wide, and a third bunk to starboard, which is a bit smaller, 1.7 by 0.7. You can see opening portholes. There's a Houdini hatch over my head for more ventilation and security. And here we've got ensuite heads with manual heads, wash basin, no shower up here. But good and spacious. Let's make our way aft up the teak laid carpet. The two DAF 145 horse DAFs under my feet. Now, owner's cabin. 1.87 metres of headroom, two beds, 2 metres long, 90 centimetres wide, and a nicely built-in dressing table there with mirror. Another Houdini hatch for ventilation and of course security, should you need it. Has a good hanging wardrobe. There's shelf space behind, hanging space in front. And that lights up automatically as you open the door. That's a nice touch. And behind me, here we have the ensuite heads with shower. And this is an electric 24 volt macerator toilet. And there's 1600 litres of water. It's heated by the engine and 220 if you're on shore power or the generator. So you really can enjoy those showers. Well, there you have it. If you'd like any more information, I'm Graham from Boatshed, Bourgogne. All my contact details are on the information page at boatshedbourgogne.com.